Hello aspiring traders, I'm back with one more very interesting video. So wherein we will discuss about live, I would say I'll show you like 5 to 8 live debit spread adjustments with my real trade. All right, let me take you to the trade. So guys, this is my typical debit spread, but I've just taken this into virtual trade. Okay, so that I can show you all the live adjustment, just to show you whether this is my real trade or not. Okay, let me take you to my Telegram channel. If you look at this Telegram channel, guys, I would recommend you to please join this Telegram channel, wherein you'll be getting the trade logics what I am telling you now, right, through this video, right, rather than getting it very late. If you can join my Telegram channel, you'll be getting all the trade logics live. Okay, so check this. Almost yesterday, this was, I have to show the date. Okay, let me show you the date, guys. 1 second. Okay, so I'm not sure why it is not showing, but yeah, technically yesterday at almost at 12:30 I've entered into this trade. This is my typical debit spread. I bought 15 lots, guys. Okay, pause the video and you check the legs, just to show you whether this is my real trade or not. I also show the trade logs. The moment I enter into the stock, I'll also show you the trade log. Let me also show you whether this is my trade or not, taking you to my angel, right? The same two trades. Pause the video and you will get to know this is still running. Okay, let me take you to this trade. So now technically, if you look at this thing, pause the video, guys, and check the funds needed. See, if I tell you all fund needed, risk to reward, probability, the video length will increase. Rather, I would want you to pause the video and you check what is the buy strike, what is the sell strike, how many lots I've taken, what is the minimum funds required, what is the margin available, right, what is your risk to reward, what is your maximum profit, maximum loss. Unless and until you do it on your own, and if you're watching it as a movie, trust me, you'll not be able to understand anything. Okay, so now technically I'm getting 3,800 profit. Yesterday I've deployed it 12:30, right? I've shown you this thing also, right? Just check. I mean, it will not show the date, but yesterday I've deployed it 12:30. Okay, so yesterday I got with almost like 3,800 profit on a capital of 2,22,000. Now let's discuss about all the 5 to 8 adjustments, right? Now check the break even. The break even is 0.7. So next 4 days, right? Expiry is 14th. So today we are doing it on Sunday. So for expiry, we have 3 more days. If Bank Nifty goes up by 1%, I'll be getting this 17,000 profit, which is 9% on my capital deployed. If this comes down, right, then I'll be losing 5,027. Now, my trade is giving me 3,800. Now, should I exit the trade? This question is for you. You think 3,800 on a capital of 2,22,000, what percentage? If that has met your if that has met your target, exit the trade. Who knows, if Bank Nifty comes down, you will unnecessarily end up into this loss, which is 5,000. If it goes up, no doubt you'll be getting into profit. But now let's see how to do those 5 to 6 adjustments. Okay, guys, so pause the video and check the legs and everything, guys, because this is required for you. So now what I'll do, the reason why I got this into virtual trade is so that I can at least show you live. I cannot show this in live trade. All right, so now let me take you to Earth virtual. Okay, then 1 second, where are we? This is for 14th Feb. Okay, come to 14th Feb. That's it. Now this is the bought and this is the sold. So I bought 15 lots. So now what I'll try to do, just keep and check on this loss. Okay, I bought this, right, I'm selling this. I sold this, right, I'm buying this. That's it. Let me click on done. Okay, let me uncheck this one. Now check the loss. Your loss is 5,000 here. The moment I'm rolling up, in the sense I'm booking 46,000 and I'm moving it to 46,100. That is called roll up with one quantity. That's it. If I select this, check, my loss has reduced to 4,000. If I go and make it 3, 4, my loss has reduced from 5,500 to 2,067. What are we doing here? We are just booking the profit. We are just doing the partial booking. With partial booking also, you can reduce your loss. If I get this to, let's say, 8, right, now check this. Now if I would have done this adjustment on Friday, my trade would have been something like this. Even if the trade goes against me, my loss is only 300 rupees. My profit is 10,000 still. If I uncheck this one, okay, my original profit was 17,000, my original loss was 5,000. By just doing this adjustments, what adjustment am I doing? Booking this profit and rolling up from 46,000, I'm going to 46,100. I have 15 lots, I'm just booking 8 lots, 50%, almost 50%, not exactly 50%, like 50 to 55%. By doing this, what did I achieve? That's it. My loss is now only 300 rupees. My profit is still 10,000. I was able to reduce my margin. My original margin was 2 lakhs 22. Obviously, right? I'm doing the partial booking. Then my margin has reduced. Now, if you look, right, you have realized you have released your 1 lakh margin, and on 1 lakh still you have 13%. The released margin, whatever margin you have released, the 1 lakh, you can deploy them into other trade, be it Bank Nifty, be it other stocks. Got it? This is called smart testing. Not smart testing basically, because I come from QA background, so I mean I have this bad habit of saying testing. I would say smart trader. Okay, this is one of the adjustments. Now, if at all you go to 9, your trade will become green. That's it. From top side, from bottom side. Now, minimum you will get 272 rupees. Right? Minimum, maximum you will get. Read it, boss. Read it. T plus 0, T plus 0. Don't watch it as a movie. Alright. Anyways, I'm doing this video for free, but you have to read. Okay. Now let me get it to 7. Right. Even this is fine. Right. The more the loss you have, the more the profit will increase. Even this stands good. Check the risk to reward, guys. This is almost like 1:11. Initially, when you started the trade, it was 1:2. 5,000 was your loss. Sorry, I mean to say 1:3. 17. Okay, let me show you. Right, the initial was 1:3 almost 3. Right, but now you have converted it to 1:11. Almost 11. If you go for 8, you have converted it to almost, I would say, 1:20. I'm not sure, like, you do the mathematics, because I'm very bad at math. Right, this is one adjustment. Now, if at all your view has changed, okay, you got this 300 rupees profit. Now you think that, boss, there is a strong resistance here, market might take a U-turn. Adjustment number 2, market might take a U-turn. Who knows, right? I mean, based on the chart, based on the resistance, based on the open interest, if your view has changed from bullish to bearish, then what you can do is, like, if at all you want to shift this profit from call side to put side, see, check this. From 8, I'm making it as, see, first let me make it to 18 and let me show you. See the magic, guys. From put side, from call side, your profit has shifted to put side. Let me again uncheck this thing. This was your original trade. The moment I am buying 18, I'm just doing it with the 18 lots, your call side profit has shifted to put side. Even if the market takes a U-turn, you still have good profit, 23% profit on a capital deployed. What are we doing here? Simple, guys. We are not doing anything rocket science. Okay, let me again get it to 15. The moment I get it by 15, so I am booking the trade, because 46,000 is bought and I am booking 46,100. Okay, 46,100 is my sole position. So this is, I am booking. So let me say, if I save this, that's it. So technically I am booking this trade, and on top of this I am just deploying, right, a credit spread. Let me sell this, let me buy this. I know for few people this might be tricky, but you have to understand the logic. I could have shown you just booking with 18 lots. I shifted the entire profit from call to put side, but I'm showing you literally, right, what are we doing here. So let me get it to 3 lots, because 15 plus 3 is 18. This is what I'm doing, guys. So technically I'm booking my existing trade, and on top of that I am deploying a credit spread. Got it? If I disable this 2, the original trade, this is your typical credit spread. That's it. Right, this is your typical credit spreads. Let me check this. That's it, guys. Now this is what you have seen, right? The 5,000 profit loss, right, because I have booked this trade. Got it? Adjustment number 2. Okay, let me deselect all these things and let me clear this trade, and let me go to modify, because I booked this, right? Let me delete this. I'm getting it back to my original debit spread, right guys? You have to do this kind of this thing, what do we say, get used to Obstra or Sensible, so that you will know. Right now again I'm back to my original debit spread. Adjustment number 3. Okay, adjustment number 3 is like, how about converting it to iron condor? Okay, forget about iron condor. Let me convert it to strangle. You might be surprised, how can we convert a debit spread to strangle? Okay, see what am I doing here, right? Let me book this. Okay, let me book this. Okay, I bought this, check this, I'm selling it for 15 quantity, that's it. I'm booking this one, guys. The moment I booked 46,000, I'm left with 46,100. That's it, right? I'm left with one naked call, right? To convert it to strangle, what should I do? I have to sell this. Sorry guys, someone is at my door. So I have to sell one put to convert it to what? Strangle. Okay, guys, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Someone is at my door. Right, this is what happens at times. My dog creates that voice. Okay, guys. Okay, let me tell you. I'm back. Okay, so now where are we? Okay, so now what I'll do? So now the call premium is trading at I would say 190. Right, so now I'll just go and sell a call, sorry, sell a put, my bad. Right, maybe I'll go and sell it here. Just I'm showing you an example, guys, how to convert this to strangle. Right, let me go and do it for 15. That's it. Now you are able to convert it to strangle. So guys, you have to match the premiums. Right, I've not taken the exact premium. Okay, let me go and match it to premium. Just telling you some example, guys. Right, if you go and take the 190, right, this is the balanced strangle you will be having. So from debit spread we have converted it to a strangle. If at all you are concerned, check the profit. Now your profit will be almost like 88,000. You have a safety of 1.53 on the downside, 1.75 on the upside. If you're concerned about low range, what you can do is like, guys, simple, I'm telling you, right, what you can do is, okay, let me again take you back to this thing. This would be like a bit tricky. Right, now I'll also buy back this thing. Okay, I'll also buy back this with quantity, let's say 8. Okay, now this one I'll trade. I bought this put, right? Even I'll sell this 8 quantity. So now you will have a bigger range, right? The profit has reduced. I want to say you were able to reduce the lots from 15. You were able to reduce the lot. And if at all you want to increase the range, guys, if at all you want to increase the range, if you're not happy with this range, you know, right, already I've made a video. I'll attach in the description how to increase the range. Nothing, guys, you have to exit this sold position also. You have to exit this sold position, right? What is this one, right? Exit this entire sold position and then deploy a new strangle, right? Then you'll get the bigger range and then you'll get the more what do we say, the blue line would be like more steep, right? So adjustment number 4. Now again I'm back to what, my original debit spread, right? Already I've made the video, guys. Already I've made the video how to increase the range of this triangle. I would recommend you to watch that video. If not, the video length will increase. Now how about converting this to a iron condor? Simple, right? You have this buy position, you have this sell position. So what I'll do, I'll just go and what if I buy back this with 15 quantities, if I'm not wrong, right? Am I doing it right? Right, buy, sell. One second, guys, even I lost it. Okay, so 46,000, 46,100. Okay, now what I have to do is like go and you have to double this quantity, guys. So 15. That's it. Now you are able to convert it to a sort of what, butterfly. But this is not recommended, but still, right, the market stands here. If the market somewhere expires here, you will be getting 25,000 profit. The market expires somewhere here. And if you want to convert it to a condor, so just play with this leg, right? You have to play with this leg. So now you will have a surface here. Go 100 points upside, go 100 points downside, you will have surface here. Rather than having cone, you will have the surface, right? If the market expires here, your loss would be only 189. If the market expires here, your profit would be 22,000. So your original profit was only 10,000, 17,000. We were able to increase it to almost like 22,000. Right, the more you play, see 100 points upside, 100 points upside, then your loss would be how much, right? 1,000 here, 1,000, and profit will increase. If you go to, it all depends on your trading style. See, I can discuss hundreds of adjustments. Check, the range is increasing. The range is increasing. If the market expires between this range, you will be getting almost like 20,000 and a capital of this one. Right, adjustment number 4 or 5, I don't know. Let me clear this thing. One more adjustments. In case if your view is still bullish, right, what you can do is like, guys, simple, go and buy this one 46,300 one more time. Now your payoff will become weird. Okay, if you want to trade with one lot or if you want to trade with 15 lots, it's up to you, guys. It's up to you. So my only question is like, already you are in with profit, right? Just try to take 1,000 loss. So it's up to you. If you want to trade only with one lot, you can trade with only one lot. So basically you are trying to create some extra profit. If you want to trade with 2 lots, 3 lots, so what you have to do is like, don't take more than 1,500 or 1,000 or 800 or 2,000, 50%, 30%, 40% of the profit. Put a strict stop loss. This 230 premium, if it becomes 130, exit this buy position. Still you will be in profit. You will be losing only 1,000 profit. Right? If you are putting the more the number of points, but ensure that you are taking the risk from the earned profit if your view is bullish. Now your profit, maximum profit is unlimited. Let me show you one more thing, right? Let me take it to 1%. Okay, if I take the market to 1%, your profit would be 10,700 with this naked call. If you did not add this call, your original profit would have been only 8,000. So you're technically you are increasing your profit if your view is still bullish. If you make it to 5, check the magic. Your profit is 19,000, but without this leg, your profit would be only 8,000. It all depends, but you're taking calculated risk here. Again, some people will say, why we are? See, you're taking risk from this trade, guys, from your profit, not from your loss. Right, it all depends. Take this strict stop loss, right? If it goes upside, then you will be like making some additional profit, right? If it goes upside, then exit this trade, and then your profit would be huge. And then again you can enter into one more trade if your view is still bullish, because as a option buyer, this is a Vega positive trade. Debit splits are Vega positive trade. You are like an option buyer. You have to exit your trade. I mean, not exit your trade, you have to book your intrinsic value and then try to re-enter again. Okay, this is adjustment number 5. See, guys, I can discuss too many adjustments. See, I would say one thing, right? Just go to my YouTube channel, right? This is my YouTube channel, guys. I mean, there is like 20,000 subscribers. I would want you to just join my YouTube channel. Anyways, this is free. You will find all the videos, guys, right from your option buying, option selling, intraday, beat, equity, cash market, crude oil, option selling, end-to-end package. And I would recommend you to just go to my playlist, right? You will find all the end-to-end playlist on my debit spread. So if I type with debit, okay, see debit spread quiz, you have 1 second. See Telugu also you can watch. Anyone, right, who is like interested in Telugu, right? I mean, I don't know where is that debit spread. Maybe somewhere you'll find it, guys. You'll find it here. 1 second, let me show you. See debit spread end-to-end series with all possible. You'll have like 23 videos. So no, I mean, for me it is not required to repeat everything. If someone is very serious, right, anyways, all the videos are free. Go and watch this debit spread series. You will get to know debit spreads are very, very interesting, guys. All right, and one more thing is like, even I have made one more trade in crude oil also. Check the crude oil. In the crude oil also I've deployed a debit spread. This is my real trade, right? If you need, what do we say, right, proof, see this is my crude, which I'll be like sharing with my students live, right, with my live trade accounts. Okay, all this trade, see with the price action I'll be sharing you guys. So I would recommend, see the same thing like iron condor, I've changed it to iron condor, I've changed it to strangle, I've changed from the profit from put call side to put side, right? I've made the trade green. All these adjustments I'll be sharing you live. Join my Telegram channel, and also I would recommend you to please share with your friends, right? Let them also try to take the advantage, right? See, I would not say I'm the only one, but hardly you'll find people sharing their live trade terminal logs. This is my live trade, okay, and this is also my live trade, guys. This one, the what do we say, the crude oil, though I've done the adjustments, check this, guys. Within 3 days I was able to get almost like 5,373 profit, almost like 2.4 percentage, and you will get all the trade logic live in my Telegram channel. And also what you have to do is like just join my YouTube channel, guys. Just give it a thumbs up, right? Give it a like, because I'm spending so much of time for you guys. All right, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and also please share with your friends. All right, thank you.